Hello and welcome back to another Wit and Wisdom video. Today it's just me, no Chelm this time, but he'll be back next time. Today we're in Samul Island in Philippines, next to the ocean now. It's really beautiful. Over there I think it's Mount Apul. It's like the highest mountain in Philippines. So it's been lovely weather and just relaxing here for the day. Obviously no Chelm, so it'll be a bit more, what's the word I'm looking for? less entertaining without Chelm. So yeah, this is the ocean around Samul Island.
Yeah, biggest nest.
Yeah. So a bit later I might go skinny dipping. Just give the people what they want to see. It's like a 30-foot drop into that, and it's about 2 foot deep, so that'd be fun. As always, I'll see you next time, and Chelm will be back. Sweet.